Students, today again we are going to prepare trading profit and loss account and balance sheet under conversion method. In this problem, that means in this question, cash book also given. Look at the question. Bharati does not maintain proper books of accounts. From the following detail, prepare trading profit and loss account and balance sheet as on 31st March 2019. Here, a new item is given, that is called a cash book. Cash book, debit side receipts are given, credit side payments are given. Cash book debit side 2 balance BD, this is opening cash. Then 2 sales, this is called cash sales. Here debit side 2 debtor is given, this is called cash received from debtor. Students, once again I am repeating, this is opening cash. 2 balance BD is a opening cash, 2 sales is a cash sales, 2 debtor is a cash received from debtor. Here cash received from debtor. Then go to the credit side, by purchases are given. Under the payment side, purchases are given. This we called cash purchase. Then by creditor are given. This is called cash paid to creditor. Then general expenses, wages and closing cash. Okay. Then other information, particulars, opening informations are given, closing informations are given, additional informations also given. Earlier I said we have to prepare opening statement of affair, total debtor account and total creditor account. Now I am going to prepare opening statement of affair to find opening capital. Look at the board. Yes. First we are going to prepare opening statement of affairs. We are going to prepare opening statement of affairs as on opening information date 1/4/2018. Opening statement of affairs has 2 sides. Left side liabilities are recorded, right side assets are recorded. Okay, we have to take information given under 1/4/2018. First item is stock. Stock, the value of stock 40,000. Next debtor, value of debtor 38,000. Then creditor given, the value of creditor 58,000. Next machinery given, machinery value 1,70,000. Students, listen carefully. Under 1/4/2018, stock, debtor, creditor, machinery are given. When cash book is given, along with the opening information, opening cash will not be given. So we have to take opening cash. How much? 32,000. So our opening cash 32,000. Now we have to total this. Already I totaled 2,80,000. 2,80,000 minus 58,000, 2,22,000. This we called opening capital. This we called opening capital balancing figure. We ascertained opening capital. Then as usual we have to prepare total debtor account to find credit sales. Total debtor account we have to prepare to find credit sales. Now I am going to take information relating to the debtor. Okay. Cash book debit side opening cash will not come, cash sales will not come, debtor will come. This is called cash received from debtor. Cash received from debtor. So by cash received from debtor 1,20,000. Then purchases will not come, creditor will not come, general expenses will not come, wages will not come, closing cash will not come, stock will not come, debtor will come. Opening debtor 38,000. Opening debtor 38,000. Closing debtor not given. Closing debtor not given. Normally when preparing total debtor account we have to ascertain credit sales, but in this problem closing debtor is not given. Definitely credit sale will be given. So we have to find the closing debtor. Yes. Next, creditor not required, machinery not required, credit purchase not required, credit sale required for preparation of total debtor account. 2 credit sales. 2 credit sales, the value of credit sale 1,40,000. 1,40,000. Then depreciate machinery by 10%, that is not required for the preparation of total debtor account. The total of total debtor account debit side 1,78,000. So our closing balance of debtor how much? 58,000. Then we have to prepare total creditor account. Normally total creditor account prepared to find the credit purchase. Now we'll prepare total creditor account. Opening cash will not come, cash sales will not come, debtor will not come, cash purchase will not come, cash paid to creditor will come. To cash. Cash paid to creditor value 80,000. Then general expenses will not come, wages will not come, closing cash will not come, stock will not come, debtor will not come, creditor will come. We have opening creditor as well as closing creditor. Opening creditor recorded in the credit side of creditor account by balance BD. Closing creditor recorded in the debit side of creditor account to balance CD. Opening creditor 58,000. Closing creditor 52,000. Next, machinery not required, credit purchase we need. Normally the creditor account prepared to find the credit purchase, but in this problem credit purchases are given. So if credit purchase of given, we have to assign some other item which are hidden. Debit side total 1,32,000, credit side total also 1,32,000. 1,32,000. In this case, the total creditor account information all are given, so we need not to find anything relating to the creditor account. Then we are going to prepare trading profit loss account and balance sheet. Before preparation of trading profit loss account balance sheet, we have to draw the format. The format is opening stock to purchase cash credit total minus purchase return. Credit side buy sales, cash sales, credit sale, total sale minus sales return, closing stock. Then trading account balancing lines, then by gross profit, then profit and loss account balancing lines. Then balance sheet of Mrs. Bharati as on 31/3/2018, liability assets, liability side format capital plus net profit minus drawing. So before solving the problem, first we should transfer the missing information to the trading profit loss account and balance sheet. The first missing information is capital. It will appear in the liability side, 2,22,000. Then second missing information is closing debtor. It will appear in the asset side, 58,000. Then as far as creditor account concerned, all informations are given. So nothing we found with the help of by preparing total creditor account. So we can leave the total creditor account. We will go through the problem. We are going to take other item. Opening cash not required. Cash sales how much? 1,60,000. Cash received from debtor not required for the preparation of trading profit loss account and balance sheet. Then cash purchases how much? 56,000. Creditor, cash payment to creditor not required for the preparation of trading profit loss account and balance sheet. Then we have general expenses debited to the profit and loss account. General expenses debited to the profit and loss account, value 24,000. Next, wages 10,000 debited to the trading account. Wages 10,000. Next item is closing cash. It will appear in the balance sheet asset side. Closing cash 1,42,000 appeared in the balance sheet asset side. Then other information, opening stock and closing stock. Opening stock debited to the trading account. Closing stock value 60,000 credited to trading account and immediately appears in the asset side of the balance sheet. Next debtor. We ascertained debtor already, we recorded. Then creditor, we have to take closing creditor. It will appear in the liability side. Closing creditor value 52,000. Then machinery. Machinery 1,70,000 must be recorded in the inner column since it has adjustment. Okay. Then credit purchase 74,000, trading account debit side. Credit sales, trading account credit side. Depreciate machinery by 10%. Depreciation at 10%. So balance 1,53,000. This depreciation should be debited to the profit and loss account. Depreciation on Machinery, how much? 17,000. Next, we are going to close the trading account. 8, 12, 0, 8, 0, balance 1, 8, 1 lakh 30, 3 lakh. The total of trading account credit side already I recorded here 3,60,000. 3,60,000 minus 1,80,000. Balance gross profit how much? 1,80,000. Transfer to profit and loss account. Gross profit 1,80,000. 1,80,000. So 1,80,000 minus 1, balance 1, 41,000. So profit and loss account is balance 1,39,000. 1,39,000, that we called net profit. Transfer to capital account. This net profit should be added with the capital. 1,39,000. 0, 0, 0, balance 1, 6, 3,61,000. 1 second, 0, 0, 0, 1, balance 1, 4, 6, 3,61,000. So 361 plus 52, 3, 1, 4,13,000 is our balance sheet total. Likewise, the total of asset side 4,13,000. Students, in this problem, along with the incomplete information, one cash book also given. When cash book is given, we should be very careful. Look at the cash book. 2 balance BD, this is called opening cash. This is called opening cash. 2 sales, this is called cash sales. 2 debtor is given, cash received from debtor. Likewise, credit side, this is we consider as cash purchases. This we consider as cash paid to creditor. This is general expenses, this wages, this is we consider as closing cash. So other informations are same. Students, today we completed incomplete records with the cash book. In next class we will solve different problem. Till then, bye and thank you.